Okay, once you get that dropped down, you can, that bolt that you loosened up back here, you can go ahead and completely remove that one. And then now, I should, alright, there's one completely removed, which the cap of the drum had fallen off. But it don't look horrible, but it'd be nice to get rid of this. Here I have them laid out side by side, and you can see that they're significantly different. Like, drums are good if you're daily driving, but they're a pain in the ass to change. And to me, this is just a lot better choice, personally. But process is the exact same as removing, just do it reversed and reinstall. This is the hardest part, personally. A lot of people think the cables are the hardest part, but reassembling, really it's just getting that far back control arm in. That's really all that I have issues with. Okay, the process of putting this back on is just reassembling everything like you took it off. But you'll have to reinstall that bracket, and then run it down to there. But I'm not going to show the driver's side, the process on the driver's side, because it's exactly the same as this passenger side. The reason why I started on the passenger side because it has the exhaust and it is a little bit harder than the driver's side. But that's basically all you do. Okay, I got everything on. There's the new assembly. Hooks back up there. Now